Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel once again. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how to eject a USB drive or any external device which is connected to your PC. So without further delay, let's get started. Now let's plug in a drive here onto my computer. As you can see, this PC, there is no drive which is connected, so let's connect a drive. Now this drive is being connected here on my PC. Now if I want to eject it, there are two ways to eject this. It's very easy and simple. So inside this PC, when you open it, you can just right click on it and then click on eject, and the drive will be ejected successfully. Or another way to do is very easy. Just unplug and plug the drive once and again. Once you plug the drive, just go to your taskbar. As you have the taskbar here, if you can see, we will be having a USB logo here, and this is a USB logo which is here. So just click on the USB logo, right click or left click on it, and then we have the USB drive, which is I. This is my drive number, which is I. So if there are other devices which are connected with different identities, they will all be listed here. So you just click on eject mass storage, and then voila, the drive will be ejected successfully. Guys, that is how to eject an external or USB drive which is connected to your PC. Like and subscribe, follow us for more videos, and see you on our next one. Peace out.